I got some use para sa yung daily fashion hassle. Bakit kailangan mo nito? Ang fashion sedusa bracelet. Okay, let's break it down. Una, may metal coating ito, which adds durability and touch of sophistication to your accessory. Pangalawa, design as casual. Kaya naman perfect for everyday wear. Giving you that effortless yet stylish vibe. Pang unisex to besh, so carry lang for all. Alam mo yan, kahit sino pwedeng mag-level up ang forma with this bracelet. Carry boom boom pang daily slayage. Whether you're off to work, a chill hangout, or special event, this bracelet got you covered. At ang bongga, may free box pa. Perfect at ready ng pangregalo. Ang bracelet na to ay hindi lang basta accessory. It's a game changer sa ating forma at confident level. Stylish at hypoallergenic. Kaya naman perfect for sensitive skin. Stand out ka, slay mo lang. Kaya alam mo na kaway spender, nasa basket ko. Please share and follow me for more sulit sales. Bye!